Hey, concrete friend, I've got something for you. It's an introduction to concrete. Am I going to eat it? No, I'm not going to eat it. I just want to show you how easy it is to do some concrete work at home. This is the kit. This is the Easy Make kit, or at least the beginnings of it. I don't have it all figured out yet, but you're getting to see a prototype ahead of time. And I'm going to show you how to use it. Okay, here we go. So we got our mold, and we've got gray matter. Gray matter is a concrete that I've developed specifically for making art. And I've got three, you can kind of tell. Can you tell? You can tell, they're a little pastel-y, but I've got three colors, three pre-made colors that I have, we've mixed mineral pigments, integral mineral pigments into this concrete for you. You don't have to do it at home. Super clean. And now I'm just going to measure some out onto this dinner plate because I want to show you just how easy it can be. There we go. There's one right there. There's one color right there. Let's use all three colors. Put the lid back on, put you up out of the way. Here's another one. And this is probably going to be, you know what? I'm going about a tablespoon each. And that should be more than enough. So these containers, you've got enough. You can do this a few times. But I wanted to give you just a taste of what this looks like. Because I have a feeling that if you do this once and you see how easy it is and how fun it can be, you're going to want to try it again. Or at the very least, you're going to learn something about concrete. That's not bad. Okay, so I've got my concrete in there. I put my spoon to the side. I've got one of my butter knives here. I love butter. Put a little bit of water in there. Drip, drip, drip. Just a few drips. Use this butter knife. And stir it around. Spread it around. Stir it up. A little more. You can do this. You don't have to do this on a dinner plate. I'm doing it on a dinner plate because, well, I want to show you how little room it takes, and I want to show you a way to do this and not really make too much of a mess. So there, we got one color. Put the rest there. Leave my knife right there. Let's do this next color. We got one. So the first color I'm giving you, pink. I love pink. So I'm going to help you make pink. I've done a lot of different pinks, and I feel like this is the pink. This is the pink. We've got our mint. We've got pink. And now I've got a nice minty green. I've mixed these colors a bunch of times. So I know what we've got going on here. Let's see here. Let's see. This camera a little bit. Okay, that's looking good. A little. Keeping it all on the plate. Do not want to make a mess because we're in your house, or we're in your office, or we're in a bathroom, or we're in a classroom, or we're in your bedroom, or wherever. We're doing this on a plate. We're keeping all the mess on a plate because I want to prove to you, you can do this at home. This little tiny introduction to concrete can be done in the comfort of your home with no extra tools other than a couple of butter knives and a spoon. And I'm going to give you the rest. That being said, you maybe can, you could probably use your finger. And then our last color we've got going on here, kind of a peachy. peachy orange. It's a peach. It's a light peach. And I'm just gonna keep mixing. Keep mixing. Until all of our parts are. Is this fun? You having fun? It's kind of fun. You just add a bit of water and you get this stuff. Concrete. You got any questions? Make sure you get it. So don't add too much water. If you add so much water that stuff's moving all over the place, you might have too much water. Okay, so there we go. We've got our little batches of concrete. We mix them together on our plate. We did it together. And now, we've got this fun little mold that I sent. And I'm just gonna take some concrete, tuck it in there with my knife. I'm just gonna alternate layers. Take a little bit of this pink, put it in there. Take a little bit of this mint, put it in right there. We're just gonna keep going. You can do, now this is the part you choose. Do however you wanna do this. I'm doing alternate style, but I don't care. This is a time for you just to have some fun with this. Be as creative as you want, or just dump it all in and see what you get. There we go. There we go. And done. This next step, we don't need you plate. For this next step, so I filled it up to the top. I'm just tapping this, trying to get all the air out of it. This is easy. You can do this. You can do this. Has anything been difficult so far? Has anything been too time consuming? Are you having fun? Ooh, we got some fun colors going on in there. Done. We're stopping there. I'm gonna wipe this plate with a piece of paper towel. Don't rinse concrete down the sink. Just throw it, wipe it off, and throw it in the garbage if there's any excess. And then you can wash your plate after that. But if there's any concrete in there, don't throw that in the garbage. Don't throw that down the sink. Put that in the garbage. And there we go. That's feeling about right. That's enough taps. We're gonna leave this. We're gonna leave it for 4 hours, and we're gonna come back, see what we got. So go do whatever you do now the rest of your day. Come back in 4 hours or 12 or 24, whenever you want to come back. But the fastest, I would say, is about 4. I put this up over here. It's gone now. See you later. Let's catch you on the cured side, and we'll jump back into this. Hey everybody, we are back. Did you have fun making the thing? It's been about 4 hours, and we made a mystery little bit, something that you got in the mail, a little kit. Here's how we demold it. Take your thumb, push on the bottom, take your fingers, peel back the sides a little bit, and boom. Whoa, 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 whoa. Goodbye. It's gone. There it is. Here's our little guy. We made this little guy. Isn't he fun? Some great colors. He's got kind of a green spot over his eye, or her eye, their eye. No gender, just a thing. Another heart on the back. For you, from me to you. We made it together. I hope you had the best time, and I hope you learned something about concrete too. That's the whole point. Bye, everybody.